Hi, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is simple stamping. And I want to show you a quick and easy man card you can do. What we're going to need is, let me bring this up. We're going to need the stamp set called A Good Man. You are going to need Night of Navy or any dark ink. You are also going to need your Whisper White envelopes and note cards. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp the guy. You see there's 3 of them there. We're going to stamp the guy relaxing in his chair there. So we're going to get that all set up. Going to ink that up with Night of Navy. Just like that. Make sure I clean this off. Then I'm going to It's Your Day. Now you could put one on the outside and one on the inside, but we know how much you'd like to write. It's your day. Relax your way. And there goes the card. All done. Just need to fold it. Now if you want, you can color it with my Stampin' Up markers. And then I'm just going to take the envelope here. There's a little heart in there. I'm going to put it and stamp it right like that so you don't have a naked envelope. There you go, simple stamping. Bring this down. Remember to follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to do this card is listed below. Please shop with me. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.